Hi, I'm Marilee, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfect buttered popcorn. Now I've already started heating 3 tablespoons of oil in a kettle so that it can get to the right popping temperature. You want to use either canola, peanut, or grapeseed oil as it has a high temperature point. Like I said, it's been heating, so what we want to do is take a couple of kernels and pop them in there. And as soon as they pop, we're going to be adding 1/3 of a cup of the rest of the popcorn, and then hopefully it will be ready and it will start popping quickly. And I start hearing them pop. So we're going to go ahead and put in that 1/3 of a cup, evenly distributed. And they say it's a good idea to take it off the heat for about 30 seconds. That's supposed to bring all the kernels to appropriate popping temperature so they're all even. And hopefully when we put it back on the stove, then they'll all pop together. And you want to shake it so that you don't let any of the kernels stay on the bottom of the pan to burn. As soon as popping slows, we'll pull it off the burner. Sounds like they're starting to slow. So I'll pull this off. Look at there, relatively few old maids. Now, I'd already melted a little bit of butter, so we'll just drizzle that over. And there you have your perfectly crisp, hot, buttered popcorn.